Do it for the vine. Do it for the vine. Do it for the vine.
Patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty. Trying to catch me riding dirty.
Hit the fleet, call up the boys, went to a house, trashed the whole place, threw the bitch.
I stay holding on a big tree, pants on my knees, yeah, this is me, and all my glasses cost me $3, so.
Why does he always have to sit in the front?
Because he's internet famous.
Move that dope, young nigga move that dope, baby move that dope, baby move that dope, young nigga move that dope.
What you say? That you only meant well.
That's not how you play.
Buddy, you're my best friend.
Buddy? Say?
Bud! Buster, come on, let's go.
What? Are you kidding me? You gotta be kidding me.
Hey, look at them! Look at them! Look! You should be grateful and eat your vegetables!
Bark one more time, I swear to God, I'll beat the black off you. And I got Mike Vick on speed dial. What's up? What you gonna do? Make a move. What's up? Try me.
Hey, you guys hungry?
Hey Fluffy, I'm gonna eat all your treats.
Anybody hungry? Anybody sleepy? Anybody highly overweight?
I'm going to eat you.
Nice doggy. I like
Is this what you want? I'm gonna eat it.
Get up. Time for school.
Lily, who's your best friend? Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend?
You're a cute one. Do you like squeaky toys?
Nice doggy. Nice doggy.
Hey, Miley.
What's up?
They call the police.
Okay, you gotta look good for this picture. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Archie, do you love me? Archie, do you love Georgie? I didn't think so.
Come on, Trooper, let's go outside. Or stay there and pee in the house. You're bigger than me.
I don't want to walk into a situation where all of a sudden they're ambushed when they're trying to help out.
This the crazy shit in the club.
Good morning! Her name is Penny Kidfish. Stop it!
Sir, I'm gonna need you to put your hands behind your head. We got a runner. We got a runner. Black male heading northbound towards Burn Street. Send backup. Send.
I got my eyes on you. You're everything that I see. I won't show how.
Why you